Okay, let's look at a similar problem, but when the data is presented in a different way. All right, so here we have example number 2. Beth kept a driving log to see how many miles she drove each day. So we've got a chart here. It's labeled miles driven. We've got days of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday down here. We've got number of miles over here on the y-axis. So you might read this to say, okay, on Tuesday, she drove 9 miles. Oops. And on Wednesday, she drove 2 miles. And on Thursday, 5. Friday, up here at 8. And Saturday, up here at 9. When data is presented in this way, we're going to call that a bar graph or a bar chart. Now, we want to find the same elements. We want to find mean, median, mode, and range. I think the easiest way when I'm presented with a bar graph like this is to turn my bar graph into a list. So I've got 9, 2, 5, and 8 like this, and that's just going to be my list of data. Now I know that I'm going to be calculating the median, so maybe I'll put it in order. So 2, 5, 8, 9, 9. Once I've taken my bar graph and put it into list form, I can basically do this just like I did the last problem. I can ignore the bar graph after that. But for this particular problem, I'm going to show you a way to calculate some of these values with Desmos. So here, in Desmos, I can calculate mean, median, and mode at least mean and median in a way that's simpler than if I do it on my calculator. And I do that by first typing in A equals, then a bracket, then I type in my list of values. So 2, 5, 8, 9, 9 was my list, so that's what I type into Desmos. Now I have to put this in brackets. Brackets are located on your keyboard just above the Enter key, or right around there. Now let's say I want to find the mean. Well, I typed in A equals this. When I did that, I named this list of numbers A. So what I really want to do is find the mean of A. So I type in the word mean, then parentheses, then A, then close parentheses. And Desmos calculates the mean or the average for me. Here it's 6.6. Desmos will also calculate the median. I just type in median, oops, spelling error, paren, A, close paren, and Desmos says the median is 8. Now, Desmos won't calculate mode. It won't calculate range. If you type that in, you'll get an error. But this is very useful in helping us calculate things, especially when the list is really long. When it's short like this, we maybe don't need this. But when it's a long list, it's pretty fast and can be faster than if you just typed in all the numbers yourself into your calculator. Okay, so over here, we're told that the mean is 6.6 and the median is 8. What is the mode? Well, looking at this, 2, 5, 8, 9, 9. What appears the most? The 9s appear the most. That's 9. And then finally, range we know is largest minus smallest. What's the largest number you see? 9. What's the smallest? 2. So the range is 7. And there's our 4 pieces of information, 4 statistics, 6.6, 8, 9, and 7.